Hello, today we will guide you through how to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. If you've recorded meetings in Zoom and you're not quite sure where those files are saved, this process will help you quickly locate the recording settings inside the Zoom desktop app. From there, you can identify where your recordings are being stored on your Windows computer. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're using the Zoom desktop application for Windows, since that's where you'll be able to access these settings directly. Once the app is open, take a moment to let the home screen fully load so all menu options are visible. Next, look toward the lower left area of the Zoom window for the Settings option. This is where Zoom keeps many of its app preferences, including the options related to audio, video, and recordings. If you don't immediately notice it, pause for a second and scan the lower left corner carefully, since that's the area you'll need for the next step. When you've found it, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage how Zoom behaves and where certain files are saved. The Settings window is useful for many different adjustments, but for this tutorial, we're focused specifically on recordings. Inside the Settings panel, click on Recording. This section contains the recording-related options for your Zoom app. Once you open it, you'll be able to view the location where your local Zoom recordings are saved. This is especially helpful if you've recorded a meeting and want to access the video file, share it, move it to another folder, or simply confirm where Zoom is storing it by default. If needed, you can use this area to better understand your recording setup before your next meeting. It's a good idea to check this in advance, especially if you record often and want to keep your files organized. And that's it. By opening the Zoom app, going to Settings in the lower left corner, and selecting Recording, you can quickly find the information you need to locate your Zoom recordings on Windows. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid searching through folders manually and helps make sure you always know where your meeting files are being saved. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you find your Zoom recordings with ease.